and welcome back to my channel. We are going to be planning in my social media planner here. This is the Hobonichi Cousin, but we are going to be planning for the week of February 12th through the 18th. I am going to be using this kit from Black Mountain Plans. I do PR for her, so if you use Amy B20, you will get 20% off your entire order, as well as my freebie here. And the kit I'm going to be using this week is kit number 60. We are only doing the weekly. We don't do the daily because I don't use the daily functionally like most people do. And yeah, so we are gonna get into it. And then I do have the weeks here from Mandy Lynn Plant. So anyway, I am not using this planner the way that I thought I would. So this planner is actually making me rethink my social media planner. And I have ordered another planner, which I think will be better for me. Honestly, there is nothing wrong with this planner. I absolutely love it. I love that I can use my fountain pens in it, and I love the paper. So Hobonichi is not completely out, but Hobonichi for social media planning is out, sort of. So I will have a oops, that's the wrong one. So I will still have the social media planner, yes. Or I will have a day-free A5 for Hobonichi. So we'll at least set up the monthly, and we'll go through and probably put down washi. But ultimately, I'm done using, after probably this month, I'll be done using the Hobonichi Cousin and only buying kits for the monthly and probably the daily part of the day free, as I need, I think this will work. Yeah. So I don't use, like I said, I don't use the dailies functionally. I use them if when I finish a book, I write down what the book was about. So when I go and write my thoughts in my book planner, or my Bujo book journal, then I have it, as well as when I get swashy. When I get washi tape, I want to end up doing it in the daily section or on the plain notebook or on the plain paper. So that is how I'm going to still use a Hobonichi, and I'll be able to still use like my or I'll still be able to use the fountain pens, and I should be able to use the fountain pens in all my planners. So I will still be using those, and I'm still very excited. I have been really bad this month. I haven't even done a currently inked. So if you get a February currently inked, it might be at the end of the month. Oops. I still have pens from December and November of 2023 that I haven't unboxed, and that is on me. I just got really busy around the holidays, and then I was gonna do it when I got home from vacation from Christmas, but my family and I got sick, and then we had some house problems. So yeah, that has just, it's all been on the back burner for me. So yeah, there is that. So I am very behind. If I don't do it in currently inked for February, I will definitely be doing it for whatchamacallit, March. So So I'm really excited about that. Oops, I messed up. So yeah, I don't want to tell you what planner I have coming just yet that I want to use for social media, because I do want to do an unboxing of it once it gets here. And then we'll do like sort of a little setup, because there is, oops, that's the 17th. Because there is some setup that I want to do in it, and also I feel like that one will help me bring a little bit more videos to the channel. So there is that, and I'm not quite done with that, but I am gonna turn my planner sideways for a moment because we're gonna lay down full boxes. Maybe not. Yeah, okay, maybe not. So the only other thing I am going to do is just going, oops, sorry you guys, to put down the last pieces of washi, and then we're gonna lay down some full boxes, and then ultimately we are done. Because I mean, I'll put in my videos, I do need to do that. What days and stuff I'm going to film or upload, but ultimately that'll be it. So I do kind of section off a little bit. I do help run I'm an admin for a Facebook group, so I do like to put in our posts that need to be done down here. So I will fill that in afterwards because we're changing some stuff up, and I don't have the schedule quite yet for that. So I'm done with that one. Okay. We are gonna put you down here, and then we'll fill in. Okay. So I am going to kind of just scatter the full boxes here. Because I want to do just something different. No rhyme or reason. Yeah. I also find it a little bit harder to I plan for social media vertically. I think because my Pentrix planner is horizontal. I mean, it's kind of vertical, but it's kind of horizontal as well. I find that I think a horizontal planner would be better for me, so I do have a horizontal planner coming, and I am quite excited about it. So again, no rhyme, no reason to the full boxes. Actually, yeah, no, I kind of like that. Okay, anyway, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I need 8. No, I need 7. Okay. So we will have Mystery Monday, is where we do our mystery painting. The only problem is that I forgot to hit record on it. So the square is already picked and already done, but I will go over that in Monday's video. But I do want to show you the square for week 2, and then I'll make sure to be better for week 3. We also will have Hobo Week, social media, Wednesday's video, new pen day. Okay. We'll do red for Hobo Weeks. So the Hobo Weeks is my on the go planner. So we have 2 videos on Monday. You will have this video. So social media goes up on Tuesday. I am not writing down a video for Wednesday right this second because I have a few ideas and I just need to make sure and see which idea will work for Wednesday. And I'll know more this weekend for it. Thursday we will have a new pen day. New pen day. We will have Simply Gilded. I have 2 different sub boxes that I want to go over with you. And my catch-all. So Wednesday is the only day. I know there's going to be a video. Just what video I have planned, because I want to do them both, will be the ultimate question. Yeah. And then, let's see, Saturdays right now are no days where I actually post. So that is how that's gonna go. Once I know our new posting schedule for the Facebook group, I'll end up putting it down here. And then this ends up just becoming more and more notes, but yeah, that's how that's gonna turn out. So I really do hope you like this video. If you want to see more of my videos, please make sure you hit subscribe and give me a thumbs up, as well as hit the bell to be notified every time I upload a new video. And then let me know down below how is your or how are your planners working out for you so far. So I've definitely been consistent with the Hobonichi in April and in February. I'm just finding that I am more of a horizontal planner and not a vertical. So, but I'm going to go over that in a whole nother video in a few weeks. So I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.